Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been trying to review this diaper bag for so many days now, and one thing or another keeps happening, so I'm just going to try and go through it quickly because I do want to cover this bag since it's been great to me since I started using it. This is the Jujube BFF in the Donutella Sweet Shop print. Many of you may already have seen my unboxing when I got this bag off of the BST. I have been using it since. And one of the main things that I really like about this bag is this super durable and sturdy handle. I really do like this top handle here because for in and out of the car, it's super functional. So I love this feature. I like that it doesn't feel like it's gonna rip off when I lift it. So this to me is one of my favorite things about the bag actually. And I'm just gonna try and go through it really quickly. In this bottle pocket here, I just have my daughter's Replay sippy cup. Over onto this bottle pocket here, I just have my keys. And normally when I'm out, I like to clip my keys using this little keychain that I have. Clip it right there so I can make sure they're not going to go anywhere. And I usually like to carry this little dimply for my daughter on my keys or clipped somewhere. It's always a good little distraction tool for her. In my Passy Pod, also in the same Donutella Sweet Shop print, I just have my son's bibs pacifier. I just have one as a backup in there. In the back of the bag, and probably my only complaint about this bag is that it seems like it's stretched out. Oops, sorry. It seems like it's stretched out, and probably maybe somebody tried to fit a laptop in here or anything like that. I'm curious to see if a laptop would actually work in this bag, because why not use it as a work bag as well? The print is so fun. In here, I just have a sticker activity pack for my daughter, and these things are great. These are great for redirecting my child when she's like having a fit. She's 2.5, so those are really common. And I'm not sure if I covered here in the front, I just have my Donutella fob and then a little pink poof, and then I have my bag tag, which I got from Rose Pedal Stitchery. And in the tech pocket, which is felt lined, I have nothing right now because I'm using my phone to film, but you can fit up to an iPhone 8 Plus in here, which is probably one of the largest phones out there right now, and it'll still zip. So if you have a larger phone, it'll still work. I know this is an older bag, so if you're wondering if your huge phone will fit, it will. So that I was pleased to find that it does work. In the mommy front pocket here, I'm just gonna push the bag back so I can get a good look. I don't have a whole lot in here. I just have a wipe pouch mini in the Donutella print, and these have boogie wipes. And then I just have my shades in this kind of like protective, I guess it's meant for shades because that's what I put mine in. In here I just have like eye drops, just little random things. And I just have a coin purse, and this one is from Louis Vuitton. And then I just have my wallet, which is also from Louis Vuitton, and this is in the Demir Eben print. And I'm trying to zip through this, so if there's anything that I missed, definitely let me know. So I have packed her with Lily Jade packing cases, and what I really appreciate about this bag is the gussets. They are really helpful because I use the bag clipped onto my stroller using these D-rings here, and I use Think King stroller hooks if you're wondering. And if you would like to see what that looks like, you can head over onto my Instagram, and it's mommying, so it's MOMMING_InStyle is my Instagram handle if you want to check it out. I always post lots of pictures of my diaper bags in day-to-day use. And this is the medium sized Lily Jade packing case, and in here I just have a Love Child Organics puree for my son, and then I have one of those silly lids, I think they're called, and it's just a silicone cover that will go over any regular cup like at a restaurant, and it comes with a little silicone straw as well. It's really useful for a toddler. And then I have like basics, granola bars and all that stuff. I have a small Be Snacky. And in here I have Replay spoons. And there's one for my son, which is an infant Replay spoon. And then I have your regular toddler size spoon and fork, also from Replay for my daughter. And as well, I also have these super cute little bibs that I just found at Walmart. They're from George. They're huge, by the way, and machine washable. And I really love the dino prints, so I had to get them for both the kids. I think they're super cute. And that's pretty much it. Most of it is just snacks that I have in there for the kids that I carry. And all of my bags, I try to use a tag for them, so it's easier for my husband to identify, even though they have a window, but you know men. So this one says snacks, and these, all of my bag tags are from Rose Pedal Stitchery. And in the largest, and it is actually quite large, in the largest Lily Jade packing case, I have a Y Pouch 30, and I have some Rascals and Friends size 3 diapers, and then I have, just gonna bring it out, I have a Be Dry from Jujube, and this one actually I've never had to use it so far, but I gave my last one so much use that I always carry it with me because you just never know, right? So this one is in the Duchess print. And then my favorite change pad, this one is for my Tote Savvy insert. Guys, it's huge. Like, I can't even get it all in the frame. So it's one of my favorite change pads because of that. I can just open it with one hand and it lays flat and it's really small. Like, look how small it folds. So I love that it's not a bulky change pad, and that's why I just keep switching back to it. It's probably my favorite change pad. And moving on, I just want to get through this quickly. I have the large set piece, and this is in the Donutella Sweet Shop, and it's from Jujube, of course, and I have a bag tag that says clothes. And in here I have a change of clothes for both of my kids and a couple of extra underwears for my daughter. And in the smallest Lily Jade packing case, I just have a couple of random toys and teethers. Teethers are obviously for my son, and then the toys are for my daughter, markers, and I just have at the back like some stickers and an activity pack for my daughter with more stickers. And in the, let me turn it here, in the side pocket here, I just have some can-do flushable wipes for my daughter who's potty trained, so I just like to have, you know, these wipes for her. And in the other side pocket here, I just have a small set piece, and this is my Medi pouch, so I just have baby Tylenol, Polysporin, Band-Aids, stuff like that in there. And in this small Jujube coin purse, also in the DSS print, I just have hair stuff for my daughter. And I just want to show you guys how cute these are, because they are my new favorites for my daughter. They are from Joe Fresh, and I found them at Shoppers Drug Mart, and she loves these. So I'm really happy she's starting to let me put clips in her hair, and she'll leave them in, and I'll send her to school with it, and she'll still come back with the same clip in her hair. So, you know, it's nice to finally be able to, you know, do her hair. And what I love about this bag is that I don't have to pack a purse. I have everything that I need contained within this one bag. So it is an overpacker's dream. So here I have the medium set piece, which is probably my favorite piece of all of my Jujube items, is the medium set piece. And it is my mommy pouch. And in here I have a bunch of random things, everything that I would need for myself. So I have a hair clip, I have a Tide to Go pen, I've got, you know, some deodorant wipes, some wet ones. Let's see what else I have in here. Just some of my staples that I like to use when I am putting on my face in the car. I'm just trying to get those out so you guys can see. I have just a sample size Tarte lip paint. And then I have a Too Faced concealer. And this is also in the sample size, by the way. And then I have an Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. Then I have this Rimmel brow pencil, and I like that it comes with a spoolie. and it's an angled brush, so you don't need a sharpener. So, you know, typical mommy things that you would do when you're doing your face in 5 minutes or less. And just instead of foundation and all that stuff, this is all that I use. It's called Glam Glow. It's the Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, and this is in the Nude Glow. And this is wonderful, you guys. I feel like it really does well to hide the tired. And just a couple other of my favorites is my Sage Peppermint Halo, which you guys have seen in all my videos. I try to never leave home without it because it's just an absolute must for me. When I feel a headache coming on, I know I can put that on, and I actually don't need to take Advil or Tylenol. And I just have my hand cream here. This is one of my favorite hand creams. It smells really, really nice. And the rest of it is just random things. I'm not going to go into super detail with everything. So guys, that is everything that I have in the bag, with the exception of this pocket, which I actually just discovered. I'm going to try and lift my camera here. There's a pocket that runs along this side on the front of the bag on the inside, which I thought was really cool, and I had not seen it. And in here, I just have a power bank. So that's all I have in there. I don't really reach in there. I don't really need a power bank every day, so I put it somewhere tucked away where I know it's there, but I don't need it. And there's also another secret pocket. I call these secret pockets because I had no idea they existed over here, and I don't have anything in there. So guys, that's it for me today. I just wanted to go through this bag that I'm just in love with. It's probably my favorite bag right now. Some things that I wanted to mention is you guys know that I try to give you guys honest feedback regarding the stuff that I use, and these Lily Jade packing cases are probably my favorite thing right now. But there's a few things to note. You guys can probably see this separating here, these flaws. That bugs me a little bit, especially for the price point. Another thing is you'll notice the zipper, the way it's finished, it's not really pretty. Again, considering that price point, you want something perfect, right? I've also found that it's really hard to one hand open these zippers sometimes. So that's something else to note and to take into account if you're considering purchasing these expensive cases, in my opinion, especially if you're in Canada. I feel like they get stuck. Like this one will get stuck right around there, and there's nothing stopping it. You know, it gets stuck, which is, it's sad because, you know, us moms, especially when things are from the US, we've got to pay a little bit extra for these things. So it's unfortunate that the quality is just not really there. Like, it does not compare to Jujube zippers, in my opinion. And again, it doesn't reach to the end. So it's ugly, I think. But otherwise, I mean, the colors are gorgeous. The clear panel or the clear window is amazing. I think it's really functional. And that's why I'm probably going to keep using them, because they're so pretty. But I just wanted to put that out there so you can make, you know, an educated and informed decision regarding your purchase. Because, you know, if you are a perfectionist, which a lot of people are, these might be things that might be a deal breaker for you. So with that, I just wanted to close her up and show you guys how she looks all packed up. I left a couple things out because I am in a bit of a rush. But that's it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will try to link all of the products that I've used in my video down below in the subscription. If you have any questions or any feedback at all, feel free to drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.